It will come as good news that the HSE is reclassifying partners as essential companions for expectant mums for their 20-week anomaly scan. As we know, it has been a huge issue. It's been raised with me by lots of expectant mums from women from around the country, and I myself as a mum fully appreciate how critical it is to have that support present, especially for that 20-week anomaly scan. The scan reveals lots about the health of your baby, and on occasions mothers can receive some difficult news. So it is completely right that your partner is with you in considering and now considered an essential companion at that milestone. Expectant mums throughout Ireland have endured so much during this pandemic. It's been one of the many cruel aspects of COVID-19 that expectant mums could not have a partner with them to attend a scan or indeed their labour. I know that these issues are not all resolved, and I will continue to work with the Minister, Donnelly, to ensure that these issues are addressed as much as possible. This announcement, however, is a step in the right direction. And to all expectant mums out there, I know that having that companionship and having that support with you at that 20-week anomaly scan is good news. The clinical directors of all 19 maternity units have been keeping the need for restrictions under review at all times and working to balance health protection with compassion for parents' needs and preferences. This will continue to be the case, and I want to thank them all for their hard work up to this point.